Australian dollar versus the US dollar. The technical analysis for the 19th of July. Australian dollar has been trending down quite a lot, and of course the US dollar has been very strong. And the Aussie has reached about 16 and 2/3% below its recent high of this year, which was in February, of 2021. And after a lot of lower lows, we've had so-called a nice wedge. We've had one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pushes down. And I've drawn this channel. We do have this bit of a fake out, but the close was within the channel, making the channel still legitimate. And we are on the weekly candles. This is, of course, the COVID crash. We have a measured move, a concept in technical analysis that many times repeats itself. So we have a measured move. If we look at this high and this low over here, okay, also this high over here. So basically looking at this line over here, this line at about 7.3. So from the high, we have this move is equal to this move. It's a little bit hard to see it for those that are not well practiced with measured move, but some algos will be looking at that. And perhaps even more importantly, lately, we've got just above the 0.675, which is an important historic support, okay, dating back to this in December 2018. Over here, we see price has been reacting to that. This is, of course, the crash, which is a bit of an anomaly. It's a bit of it's a unique event. And now we're back at that support level, and we see that price is reacting with this nice bottom wick. And now this week's candle, which is not closed yet, we've got 3.5 days until it closes, but still its high is overcoming the open and the high of the previous week. So we have a bullish price action here. And this is more for, I guess, the buy and holders and those that are interested in the Aussie dollar for their own needs. This is less for traders. But for traders, we can look at possibly doing a trade, although we're not too early. So we have got the 675 support currently now. If we close a daily candle, or even if we close a daily candle below that, then definitely the premise changes. And I'd like to bring up the where is my long position? Right here. Okay, so it's waiting for a possible retracement, which might not happen. But if it happens, it's not a bad fill. And the entry here is at 67733. That is the VWAP of 2 days ago. So the VWAP of July 17th. We might be just a tiny bit above it, actually. And our stop loss is 1.1% below, and also below the 0.67 round number. And also just a tiny bit below the open and the closes of these 1 hour candles. So we're not completely at the low, but just above that, but still below the closes and the open of these candles on the 14th of July. One could, of course, lower that and to reduce the reward versus risk. But now we're going to for 1.05 and exiting in this trade idea at 68853. So to take out this high, but not to take out this high. And also to take out this high, but not to take out the high of 4th of July. So basically, it's aiming for 1.65 above the entry, risking 1.1%, and going on a 1.5 reward versus risk. Again, I would be a little bit surprised if we get there, because we've got some nice price action here for more upside. But we could dip down, and the point is that even according to the lower probability that it will be filled, if it gets there, it's not a bad. It's obviously even a better fill, a better entry for your long position. And the Aussie can still go quite high. I mean, we can reach around point. We can definitely reach these highs. Okay, the highs of June and May. So that would be about 0.72, and I reckon we will get there, just a matter of time. And we could also go a little bit higher. This is also a potential bull flag. Again, it's not a perfect one because of this overshoot, but on the weekly, it's still valid. And if we get there this is the first attempt, or first touch point, not attempt. This is the third one. If we get to a fourth one, we can break up even higher for the medium and long term. So right now, we're in a good position to start at least scaling in for along on the Aussie dollar. This was an update for AUDUSD, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar for July 19th. Thank you. Trade at your own risk.